Now, WAAY 31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Laine Pugh with 31 triple Doppler.
All right, Laine, we've got some weather moving in tomorrow, correct?
Yeah, we have some weather moving in tomorrow. It's going to change our weather pattern quite quickly as we head into the next couple of days. Tomorrow, going to be warm. We hit that 60-degree mark, but during the day, we're going to see on again, off again, widespread rain due to a cold front pushing through. That's going to drop our temperatures on Friday back into the mid-40s. So those chilly conditions are going to make a brief return. Heading into Saturday, we'll be back into the 60s, but we'll have a chilly morning with sub-freezing temperatures. This is again all because of our next weather maker moving in by Thursday. A cold front will push through, bringing another round of rain as well as a few embedded thunderstorms. And again, behind it is that brief cool down. This is the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. Just like yesterday, a marginal 1 out of 5 risk just sits to our north. Our southern Tennessee counties are included in that marginal 1 out of 5 risk. And this is due to the fact we could see some wind gusts upwards to 30 miles an hour, as well as frequent lightning and heavy rainfall. So if you have any holiday decorations out, you may want to go ahead, take the time today, just leave those deflated or make sure they're anchored into the ground, because as we head into tomorrow morning, again, could be seeing wind gusts upwards to 30 miles an hour. And they stay pretty high as we go throughout the day tomorrow as that cold front passes through. Here's a live look at 31 triple Doppler right now, 11:20 on your Wednesday morning, seeing some isolated showers over towards the shoals. We're likely to continue to see that throughout the morning hours and into the early afternoon. But by around 2, we do start to trend a whole lot drier, and we're going to be dealing with these mostly cloudy conditions. By Thursday, we'll start to see that rain start to move in. Some isolated pockets of some light showers are going to be there for our morning commutes. And as we head into the afternoon, we'll start to see a little bit more of that heavier rainfall start to move in. It won't be until the late afternoon, evening hours we could see some of those storms that could pack a punch. By 5 p.m., that main line is starting to enter over towards the shoals. By 6 or 7 o'clock, we'll start to see that line start to move its way over the I-65 corridor. By around 8 o'clock, this line will be moving over towards Sand Mountain. And then by early on Friday, that starts to move to the east, and we're left with lots of sunshine for your Friday, although we'll be dealing again with those colder temperatures sitting in the mid-40s. But that cool down, very brief. By the weekend, we're back into the 60s, and look at this upward trend. By Wednesday on Christmas Eve, upper 60s. By Thursday, some of us could be in the 70s for Christmas. So if you're hoping for that white Christmas, I'm here to tell you it's not looking like you're going to get it. Real quick, if you're heading off to Norman to watch Alabama play Oklahoma on Friday, kickoff at 7 p.m. We'll be in the mid-50s at kickoff, falling into the low 50s by the last play of the game. If you aren't heading to Norman, you can watch that game here on WAAY 31. Right now in Huntsville, 54 degrees, so definitely warmer than what we saw yesterday. We'll continue to warm up into the upper 50s today for highs, dropping into the upper 40s as we approach 7 p.m. And then that's when we start to talk about the rain heading into the Tennessee Valley tomorrow. Again, that could bring some thunderstorms across the Tennessee Valley, not expecting any widespread severe weather. Behind it, much cooler temperatures for Friday.